back to another video. So today we're going to be making some garlic bread. To make the garlic bread, we have here some garlic and we have fresh parsley. So we're going to be making the garlic bread from scratch. So you need your garlic, main ingredient, and your parsley. So first we're going to start off with the garlic. So we're going to mince the garlic very fine. So we're going to mince the garlic. If you have a garlic crusher, that would work out fine. But today we don't have the garlic crusher, so we're going to be mincing it. Garlic. You can get it finer than this if you can. This is how it is looking, the minced garlic. Right, so we're going to put this aside. This is 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then we're going to move on to the parsley. Okay, so for the parsley, we're not going to use all of the parsley. Just going to be using some. So we're going to be using the leaves. Here we have anchor butter, so we're using 1 stick of anchor butter. You have to ensure that the butter is soft, right? So you're not going to be using a hard butter, you're going to be using a soft butter. So if it is in the refrigerator, you want to take it out and allow it to become softer. And we have here the minced garlic and the parsley. So what we're going to be doing now, removing the paper from the butter, right? Just like that. Be adding the garlic, then you're going to ensure that you mix everything well, right? So you're just blending it. You can add less parsley or you can add more, as well as for the garlic. So if you don't like parsley, you can always add a little bit, but if you love it, And if you love garlic and parsley in your meal, you can go ahead and add more. So what we're doing now, we're just blending everything evenly, right? So this spatula works very well. So I'll place some link in the description to the equipment that I use, such as the spoons, measuring spoons, and measuring cup as well. There will be some link in my description box for these items. So you can go ahead and use my link to purchase some. So this is how it is looking. Also gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice. If you have lemon, you can add lemon. And we're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. And we're going to blend it. Look at it, guys. Look at that consistency. We're going to be making some garlic bread, so you can use the bread that is readily available to you. Today I'm going to be using some whole wheat bread, and I'm going to be cutting them into some nice bite size, right? And here we have our homemade garlic butter. So we're going to take our butter to coat our bread, and we're going to repeat the process for all the bread. So we're all done. Looking lovely, guys. So placing our bread garlic bread into the frying pan. So no need to add oil or butter because we already have butter here. And you place it on medium heat, medium to high heat, and allow them to do their thing. Look at that, guys. Look on this one right here. See the butter is melting through the bread? Right. Lovely, scrumptious, an easy treat to make, a nice appetizer. So when you're feeling hungry, feeling a little peckish, you can garlic bread. So the butter is now melting into the bread. Place it onto a parchment paper, place it in the refrigerator, and allow it to get hardened. Not wasting anything, guys.